Hi everyone, my name is Gokul and today I'm going to show you how to change the Google Chrome background on Windows. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Once it's open, you will be greeted with the default home page or a new tab page. This is the place where we will be making your changes. On this page, you should see a customize button in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a customization panel like this. Now click on the change theme button. You will see a variety of pre-installed background collections, each centered around a different theme. Then choose a collection that you like and select an image from the collection to set it as your Chrome background. If you would like to see different backgrounds from your chosen collection each day, enable the refresh daily option located in the upper right corner of the panel. To use your own image as the Chrome background, return to the themes page and click on upload an image. Then choose an image from your PC and click on open. If you prefer a solid color background, click on the Chrome colors option in the themes page and pick your favorite color from the palette. And if you don't like any of the pre-installed themes and want more options, scroll down and click on the Chrome Web Store icon located at the bottom of the panel. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can browse through a wide variety of themes. Once you find a theme you like, click on it and then click on the Add to Chrome button. After the theme is installed, your Chrome background and overall browser appearance will change according to the theme.